welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my new Yeti microphone. I actually got this during Christmas and I'm now just opening it because I haven't really used it at all. I haven't done a lot of voiceover videos, so now I'm going to be doing more of those videos, so now I'm going to open it. So I got this Yeti, like I said, during Christmas, so I'm not sure where I got it from, but it's by Blue. It has ultimate USB microphone for professional recording. So I think it's going to be way better than my Snowball microphone that I had previously. So just looking at the box, it's a Blue microphone. It has 4 settings and infinite possibilities. So there is stereo, there is bidirectional, omnidirectional, and CardiolD, I guess. So the Yeti is the most advanced USB microphones. I've been hearing a lot about these kind of microphones, so I'm very excited to get into it. It's perfect for game streaming, Skype and Discord, podcasts, voiceovers, which I'll be doing for my videos, conference calls, field recorders, events and orchestras, interviews, instruments, vocal duets, vocals, a cymbal choir, and instruments. More instruments. So this is a really good microphone. It has a lot of possibilities and it's kind of infinite, I guess. So there's a lot of different things that you can use for it. My things I'm going to be using for is for game streaming, probably some voiceovers. I may do a podcast depending on my life if I have anything interesting to do a podcast, but those are the main things I'm going to focus on. I'm not very good at music, so I'm not going to be doing anything with music with this. So on the back, we have the different things about what's on the microphone. There's a mute button, master volume, headphone output. There's a USB. There's a stand mic. There's a custom bass. There's a 4-polar pattern selection, stereo, CardiolD, omni, or bidirectional, so you can have different variety of it. There's a mic gain control, a triple capsule, and I think that's about it. So that's the microphone. And on the back, it's just pictures and like definition of what a Yeti is. So we're gonna open up this box. Like I said, it's never been opened. So yeah, let me go get a knife. Oh, shit. Hooters. All right, so I got a knife so that I can open it a little easier to kind of preserve the box, but I'm probably gonna end up messing it up. And I think I did, so I think I totally messed up the box, but oh well, we're just gonna rip off this tape here and then we're gonna open it. I'm definitely not good at opening boxes, so I definitely apologize, but I really don't need the box, I just need what's inside of it. Let's see. I'm gonna have to open up the box because it's pretty snug in here. Like I said, don't need this box, so I'm chilling. Alright, so that aside, I got the bigger box out here. Open it with a knife. Alright, so the first thing that we have here is the USB cord. I'm guessing this is to charge the microphone. It's just a standard USB with a little insert probably for the microphone. We have the instruction manual, very good to keep just in case something happens. This talks more about the pattern, so I'll read about this. So the stereo uses both the left and right channels to capture wide, realistic sound. Omnidirectional picks up sound equally from all around the mic. It's best used when you want to capture the ambience being there. Number 3 is CardiolD, preferred for podcast, game streaming, vocal performances, voiceovers, and bidirectional is both the front and rear of the microphone for a good duet or 2-person interview. So this has a lot of things. I'm very excited about that. I didn't know it had this much variety and this much things to it. So that's the directions. I really don't need to get into that. Here is register for free support and like 20% off with a discount if you want to have a discount on your microphone or future purchases by Blue. Here's more manuals. So let's open this thing up. All right, so, all right. got out the box. It's just foam inside. Don't really need this right now. All right, so this is the microphone. Looks great. Let's open it. All right, little silicone in here. All right, so it's currently upside down, so let's turn it around. Let's see here. Bam, we have a microphone. Very cool, huh? Very cool indeed. So this is the microphone. I really like the blue color. It's really nice. And I assume you just have to tighten these so they don't move around. But like I said, these are the patterns, stereo. This one is, I think, bidirectional, cardio, and omnidirectional. The gain of it, I'll just put it upside down for now. This is the headphone jack inside. This is where you charge it. Probably have it connected to your computer while you're on it. Volume, mute, and then their logo. I'm sorry about that. That's my cat and scared me half to death. So I'm gonna go figure out what's going on. Oh, he's trying to get into his room. Sorry about that. My cat was trying to get into the laundry room, to use the restroom. So if you hear the washer and dryer, I apologize. So yeah, this is the microphone. In a little bit, I'm gonna do my test on my laptop, and I'm actually gonna compare it with the Snowball so we can hear the difference of what the Snowball sound like versus what my Yeti will sound like now. So I'm gonna do that very shortly, but overall, I love this microphone. It looks pretty well and haven't even heard it yet, so I'll test every pattern so we can hear the differences of what it sounds like, but I am very excited to start using this for sure. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm making another opening box of another item that I got from Amazon. So I hope you guys will stay tuned to watch that, and very excited to start using this. All right, so we got our two microphones here. This is the blue Snowball that I had a while ago, and then now the blue Yeti. So they're both by the same company, but this one is more professional. It has more things to it. And then the Snowball was the good starter for me to have, but now I'm excited to use the Yeti. So on my laptop here, I have my audio recording center right here, and then I'm just gonna plug each microphone in, test it out, and then I'll do the audio overlay so you can hear the difference. And then you can see the different settings on the Yeti compared to the only setting on the Snowball. So first, I'm gonna do the Snowball. So I'll plug this in right here. All right, so the Snowball is on, it has a red light. So I'm gonna start recording. Test, test, this is my computer audio. Test, test, computer audio. Test, test, this is my computer audio. Test, test, computer audio. Test, test, this is a test for the blue Snowball. Test, test, test for the blue Snowball. Test, test, this is a test for the blue Snowball. Test, test, test for the blue Snowball. As you can tell, just between the computer audio and the blue Snowball does pick up more sound. It does sound a little higher, so that is good to know. And now let's try the 4 settings on our Yeti microphone. And then now I'm gonna plug in my Blue Yeti. And it's on with a little red mic. I'm just gonna move it a little closer. Oh, this one's stereo. So the first one we're gonna test is stereo. Blue Yeti, test, test, the stereo setting. Blue Yeti, test, test, stereo setting. Blue Yeti, test, test, the stereo setting. Blue Yeti, test, test, stereo setting. So right here I can sound it's better quality than the Snowball because you don't hear all the background fizzling noise that you usually hear with microphones. So the stereo one I like so far, but I don't think I was talking loud enough for it to cover as much, but the stereo does sound better than the Snowball. So then now we're gonna do omnidirectional. Blue Yeti, omnidirectional, test, test. 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 I can hear it here too. It sounds a little different than the Snowball. CardiolD, which is the one I'm going to be using the most because of my types of videos I'm doing. So CardiolD. Blue Yeti, test, test, 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 CardiolD. And that one sounds way better in my opinion. I can hear the difference of it sounding more fresh, and it sounds like you're talking directly to that person rather than it sound like it's through an audio. And lastly, we're going to try the bidirectional, which was used for duets and that sort of thing. Test, test, bidirectional, test, test, bidirectional. Test, test, bidirectional, test, test, bidirectional. That one I can hear that it's coming from, it sounds like it is coming from either side. So that one does sound good. So overall, I think this Blue Yeti is gonna be way better quality than the Blue Snowball. Snowball I think was around $20, and I'm not sure how much this was because it was Christmas, but I know this is a higher price, but definitely better quality. You gotta pay more for those better quality items. So I definitely recommend the Blue Yeti as a professional YouTuber or any other online source that needs microphone. I recommend using the Blue Yeti.